In this video, we are going to talk about Apana Mudra. So to do Apana Mudra, you basically join your middle finger and your ring finger. So basically, this will help balance your earth element and your space element. So if you have indigestion issue, if you have constipation, you have problem passing out urine, this is an excellent mudra for this. This is also an excellent mudra for a lot of pregnant women. So if you are expecting delivery in a month or two, you can practice this mudra for 10 minutes and this will really help you ease up your delivery process and avoid the cesarean path. And if you have constipation, if you have digestion issues, this will really help. You can practice this just after having food as well. This will speed up your digestion process and also excretion process. So this basically enhances the capability of your intestine, large intestine, lower intestine, and up till urethra, so that path, that absorption, that final absorption period becomes enhanced and becomes more efficient using this particular mudra. If you have migraine or diabetes, even then you can practice this particular mudra. You can practice 20-30 minutes while meditating or normally just holding this mudra and practicing.